Don't go for a haircut without watching this video. We are here for you. Together we will discover the best, the most popular, the coolest, and the hairstyle that will suit you the most and make you even more attractive. Are you ready? Here we go! First of all, we analyze your face shape. Determine your face shape immediately. Have you determined it? Done. Now I will tell you which hairstyles will look best according to your face shape. Do you have an oval face? Friends with oval faces, most hairstyles for you blend perfectly with your face. Keeping the sides short and the top long makes you look perfect. I suggest you try the classic pompadour, quiff, or slick back styles. With these styles, you will dazzle in any environment. Do you have a square face shape? Men with a square face shape should opt for long layered or wavy hair to soften your facial features. You can achieve a sophisticated and impressive look with Caesar cut, textured crop, or side part. These styles will make you look even more attractive. Do you have a round face? The best style for round faces is high volume hair that will make the face look longer and slimmer. You can get a bold and energetic look with faux hawk, high and tight, or spiky hair. Look at this charisma. Do you have a heart-shaped face? Friends with a heart face shape, you should opt for wavy or layered cuts that will add volume to the forehead area. Fringe, crew cut, or long layers will make you look perfect. Look more balanced and more attractive with these styles. Looking good is the key to self-confidence and the best way to project yourself to the outside world. In order to maximize you with your haircut, we have identified the most suitable hairstyle for your face shape. Now you can talk to your hairdresser about it. Go and reinvent yourself. Remember that we are here to create the best version of you. Each of you is unique and valuable.